Alright. Time to finally unpack this stuff. Like, unpack it, unpack it. Okay, here's everything that it came with. Got a license plate frame. Also got lanyard. I also got a t-shirt. So, all new hardware, all new gaskets. Let's go put this together. It's definitely time for this stuff to come out. Ooh. This exhaust is about 12 or 13 years old. Putting the exhaust on is always better with two people. In this case, my husband's helping me get everything together. Always nice to use a jack too. Just makes the job a little easier. I was sick during the time of this install, so I'm glad I had my husband to help. Alright, let's do a quick oil change, and then I'll show you what's wrong with my exhaust. The resonator, that piece is much larger than on my old exhaust, and right now it's not sitting directly underneath the car as it should. It kind of hangs a little low, as you can see. Doesn't sit up within the tunnel like it should. So I'm either gonna have to raise the car up or go to an exhaust shop and have them weld me another hanger or something, maybe get it up, set it up a little bit higher. But I love it when I have oil just sitting on the shelf ready to go. So while I've got the oil draining, this might be a little better view. So you can see how this new exhaust doesn't sit quite up in the tunnel where it should. That part even hangs a little low on the S pipe back there. Either way, it wasn't that expensive, so, and it's much quieter, so it'll do. Oh, and the water pump also seems to be leaking, which is not good because I only did that about 20,000 miles ago. That's awesome. Not. Okay. There was this guy cutting his grass at my house, so I came down to this cute little abandoned gas station so that you can hear what the exhaust sounds like, because his lawnmower was so loud.